Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. It's obviously Friday afternoon when we're filming this because we're fairly stupid.
Fairly stupid, knackered, and I think that's when we do the best unboxing.
Yeah, that's right. So we have an unboxing, and this one is an epic one. It's one that Ruben doesn't actually... You know more about this than Ruben does because you can see the title. At this stage, Ruben hasn't got a clue.
I haven't got a clue.
Here.
No idea.
And I only think I know what's in here.
I asked him before, I'm like, yeah, but can you like actually tell me? He's like, no, we'll find out, we'll find out. So,
which box?
The middle one.
The middle one, all right. I'm actually quite excited about this too.
It's an overseas product.
It is an overseas
I'm guessing silver because I'm the one that moves them over.
Yep.
Whoa, it's in a bag.
A bag.
It's been a while since I've seen my bullion come in a bag.
I'm not going to be able to open this. I need pliers. No, I don't reckon that's...
Unless you don't want to cut the bag?
All right, we'll cut the bag.
Do you want to, or do you want to cut
but we'll cut the bag.
Do you want to cut to a time that we've discovered some pliers?
Well, I'm going to have to find pliers, and I don't have them handy, so I'm going to cut this bag because this will give us a hint at what else there is. We may just not open all of the boxes.
Alrighty.
Ready?
Yeah. Ooh, tubes.
They are tubers. There we go. See if I can do this without losing a finger.
Oops, sorry. Fingers still intact. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Have you seen it yet?
I haven't.
You kidding me?
I'm not kidding you.
You didn't even see it.
I haven't seen it. You madman.
Libertads.
Oh my goodness.
By the dozen. And
oh my goodness.
Various years. So this one is I can't find the year. Where's me eyeballs? Rubes, what have I done with your eyes?
2022s by looking at
these
the one
are 22s? Okay. There are different years.
Ooh.
If they're all in those sacks, I'm going to be a little bit disappointed. So I actually don't want to cut open.
I was going to say, I want to make sure we keep at least some of those sacks intact. I'm still reeling here, Michael. I'm sorry. People have been asking for these for ages.
Now I'm going to be really disappointed if that's the only sack that was sent through. Because these aren't
you just
sacks.
Ripped a hole in it.
No, I did.
Right. So I mean, what's the go? Are they? Is it now something we can get in? Are the prices higher on them? The premiums higher on them?
The premiums are horrendous on them.
Okay.
All right, Rubes, I need young eyes.
All right, what have we got? Let me look down there. We have a 2020.
2020s. So you will find there's various years on them.
How are we going to be listing them?
We will list them individually in years. They all feel the same. So I'm going to put those two back in here so we don't confuse the years.
That's probably a good idea.
But not only do we have various years... Please.
He's hunting. I've got the boxes. He's resorted to the boxes on the window.
I reckon this one might be the go.
Gearing in. Is there? Oh, there's not even another bag.
It's a box within a box.
Oh. No, not the larger ones.
I don't even know how to open the mongrel.
Just keep slicing into bags and tubes. We'll find a way. That is a very interesting tube.
Have a look at that. So that's a normal size one.
This is super cool.
5 onzas.
Onza.
So that is a 5 ounce. And then, excuse me a moment, I'm disappearing off camera.
It's all right. Let me just keep in mind they can still hear you out there.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking.
While I pan over the lovely chaos of coins here. The chopped up bag, the tube. They kind of remind me of like little pucks in there, like hamburger patties or something.
All right, I don't know as I can find them, and I don't want to tear open too many and bore everyone. So we might have to just send you footage. We'll try this one. But there is something else in here that you're going to like. Ooh. Just cut straight through the invoice.
That's the way. This is the...
A little bit of excitement going on here.
The unboxing of destruction.
Come on. Oh, here we go. See, it's not like we're coin geeks or anything.
Not in the slightest. Oh! Is this just the unboxing to please the live streams? Is this the one? Libertads and fractional silver.
No, Libertads as fractional.
Oh my goodness! You really have outdone it with this order, I'd say, Michael.
So, I believe, and I may stand corrected on some of these, but I believe we've got, of various years, 1/10, 1/4, halves, 1s, 2s, and 5 ounce Libertads. You asked for Libertads, I eventually delivered.
Ignore all the times that Michael said on streams, yeah, it's on this week.
It took many months and many phone calls and lots of grovelling, but we actually got a decent number of all of them through. Having said that, they will sell out incredibly fast. By the time you've seen this video, some of them will have actually sold out because we could only get like the 5 ounce. Some of the years I think I only was able to get like 40 or 50 of, so they will sell out incredibly quickly. If you're interested in them, grab them while you can, because I don't know how long they're going to be available for, and I have no clue. I had to kiss a lot of butt to get this in, and I don't know if that's repeatable or not. So grab them while you can. If they're not on the website, don't phone in. If they're on the website, you can phone in and talk to us about them. If they're not on the website, don't phone in and ask about them, because the chances are we have sold them all. I
can understand why you kept this one secret from me now.
Well, like I said, it's taken many months to draw this together. And then, of all things, I had to laugh. There was 10 boxes in the delivery. One turned up in late October, early November. The rest turned up today, and today is the 26th, isn't it, of January?
27th.
27th of January. So they've been lost in customs, because they were all sent together. They've been lost in customs for the last 6-8 weeks. So that was incredibly frustrating, because I knew they were there, but they wouldn't release them. So success. We finally got it. We finally delivered on it. Grab them while you can. The premiums are high. I can't overemphasize the fact that the premiums on these are actually through the roof. But people wanted them, we grabbed them, let's see how they go.